how to create multiple X accounts. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create multiple X accounts. And how do you do that? The first step is to log in into your X account or your Twitter account as you would call it, just like I've done here. And once you're logged in, move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon and click on it. Once the profile icon is displayed, move to the top right corner and click on the three dots in the box displayed. Then by the bottom part of the screen, you'll see two options which says create a new account, add an existing account. So you have a choice, alright? If you have an existing account already, you can just click on add an existing account, and then you'll be taken to another page where you can enter in your login details, which includes your phone number, email address, or username. Then you click on next, you enter in your password, and then you'll be able to log in into that account. So that's where you'd have multiple accounts on X. All right. And then the second method is to create a new account if you don't have one, but you would like to create a new account that you would want to add to your Twitter. So click on create a new account and you'll be taken to the next stage. So you can decide to continue with Google or you can create an account from the scratch. For me, I'll select continue with Google and you'll be taken to the next stage where you'll be asked to select the Google account that you would like to use. After selecting, click on agree and share and you'll be taken to the next stage. Wait for the page to load. So once that's loaded, you'll be asked to select your language. All right, select the language you want, because you could skip this for now. Just follow the process. Then you'll have to enter in your date of birth. Very necessary. Ensure you do this and you enter in the right information. Notice that this is just an example. Okay, then click on sign up and we wait for the page to load as well. All right, and then you'll be asked to select a unique username. So Twitter automatically would recommend a username for you, but you can decide to erase it and add the one you want. I'm okay with this, so I'll just leave it at that. Then click on next. If you want X to send you notifications, click on allow, then continue, allow if you want X to have access to your contact, and that is it. Okay, so this is how you can create multiple accounts on Twitter. Thank you for watching and have a good day.